When are you going to travel?
I am going to travel this weekend.
What city, place are you going to visit?
I am going to visit Popayán City.
Where are you going to stay?
I am going to stay in the house of my uncle.
What are you going to wear?
I am going to wear my jacket for the cold and my backpack.
Who are you going to invite to that travel?
I am going to invite to my wife and my kids.
What activities will you do in that place?
I will visit the tourist place of the city.
How much money will you expend there?
I will spend 100 pesos for my souvenirs.
Will you bring any souvenirs from your vacation?
Yes, I will bring many small souvenirs for me and my friends.